different kinds of gooseberries. I'm trying to pot that one. 3 of those are gooseberries, and then it goes to raspberries, and they seem to be coming back pretty good, pretty nice. I'll try to get them back in the cages behind the fence. Somebody's gonna end up eating them. And then go from the raspberries to the strawberries. We got some that died. We have empty buckets, we have full buckets. We have these yellow ones. These I think are the native ones. I'll know once they fruit. If they are, then I'll start pulling them. We don't want those in the strawberry patch, as they taste like nothing. Some good strawberry patches, some bare spots that need more strawberries. Down in the pit where the ground sinks in, there's a bunch of strawberry plants, and then it seems to go not much strawberries, just every now and again, but very few strawberries in the back. So we gotta start getting more strawberries towards the back end. I'm surprised we still have a strawberry back here. Hopefully this ain't one of the bad ones.